What is going on, guys? How's everybody doing? Back with another tutorial over here. Smiling to you, of course. Um, I've been trying to make up for the losses, and we're back in with another video. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you guys how to change your cache name. So if you're ever down the server or whatever, and you go like, oh shit, like, the cache name is completely different. I want to change that to my own name, and I want to basically give my, because if you change your client and your server name, you're going to want to change your cache name as well, obviously. So last tutorial was how to change the path so you can make compatible to Mac and whatnot. This tutorial is how to change the name. So here's your, if this is your cache, for example, this is mine. First you got to locate your cache. Then what you want to do is simply change the name over here. So let's say this one we have right here is called InsidiaX, right? What we're going to do, instead of InsidiaX cache, let's say you want to name it like, let's say you want to name it like, I don't know, let's see, like, how about MaliMT cache, for example. So we're going to name the rename the cache first. Then we're going to open up the client. So you're going to locate your client and you're going to open it up. Then you're going to locate signlink.java. You can either search for it or just look at it. Remember, guys, this is only for 317.474 servers and stuff, so may not work with the newest servers, obviously, because it doesn't have the same files. So we're going to look for signlink. Alright, so it's going to be here, signlink.java. We're just going to open it up with Notepad++ or Notepad. I'm on Mac, but it's still the same process, not to worry, same process as Windows. We're going to go ahead and locate find cache directory. Public static string find cache directory. Apologize. Here it is. Line 138. That's where it is. Okay, so this is where your cache name is. Right here. Now, it could be somewhere up here in another server or whatever, but don't worry. Just look for the name, and what you want to do is just change this right over here from the old name to the new name. If you put a capital, make sure to put a capital. If you've not put a capital, do not put a capital. So keep it the same way, pretty much. So what you're going to do after that, again, you're going to take a look. So see, I left the capital in my cache. So we're going to go ahead and add that, and we're going to add a capital in there. So that's what we're going to do, basically. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come back, you're going to save the file, you're going to go in your client, you're going to compile your client. After you've done compiling your client, you should be all good to go. Just make sure to put this cache, which you just renamed, in your directory, which should be your users or your C drive, whichever it says in your signlink, and then you should be good to go. You should have no problems. And that's it, boys. There you go. That's how to basically rename your cache from one cache to another. And if you've already uploaded it online and it's auto-download, make sure to re-upload it again with a new name. And for people that don't know how to zip a cache file, we're going to go ahead and cover that right here in this video. All you need to do is open the folder the cache is in, and you're going to select all the files in here and basically zip them, add to archive, or in this instance in Mac you're going to press compress. But yeah, that's all you do basically, and then you upload it again. And that's really about it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video has helped you guys, and yep.